Hi everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. In today's video, our topic is negating present and future tense verbs. Before we start, what does it mean to negate? To negate a sentence means to express its opposite or to deny its truth. So if we have a sentence and we say that Ahmed wrote his homework, to negate it, we would say Ahmed did not write his homework. We've already covered the different tenses in Arabic. We have the present tense, the past tense, the imperative tense, and the future tense, which falls underneath the present tense. In today's video, our focus will be on negating الفعل المضارع and المستقبل, the present and future tenses. We'll start off with الفعل المضارع, or the present tense. When we negate a sentence in English, we use the word not. For example, they are not coming. There are similar particles used in Arabic to negate the verbs. However, it's not just one word. For the present tense, there are two particles we use. They are la and ma. The negation particles in Arabic are known as أدوات النفي. We have this sentence in the present tense. أحب مشاهدة التلفاز. I like to watch TV. Our first step in negating the present tense is to first identify the verb. The verb in this sentence is أحب, or I like. Once we have found the verb, we simply insert the particle, either la or ma, before the verb. Now the sentence means I don't like to watch TV. We can use لا, saying لا أحب مشاهدة التلفاز, or we can say ما أحب مشاهدة التلفاز. Both sentences are correct and you can use either لا or ما. It doesn't matter. So let's do that again with another sentence. نزور جدتي كل يوم. We visit my grandma every day. First things first, identify the verb. The verb here is نزور, or we visit. Next step is to put the particle before the verb. لا نزور جدتي كل يوم. We don't visit my grandma every day. Or, using the particle ما نزور جدتي كل يوم. Pretty straightforward. So now that we got a hang of negating the present tense, let's move on to the future tense. There is only one particle used to negate the future tense, and that is the word لن. This is a sentence in the future tense, saying I will cook lunch. سأطبخ الغداء. First, we will identify the verb. The verb here is cook, or أطبخ. There's an extra step here though. The future particle, seen, which means will, is going to be removed. And then after removing the future particle, seen, we will insert the negating particle, لن. لن أطبخ الغداء. I will not cook lunch. Notice how in English, the word will still remains, even if the sentence is negated. But in Arabic, we remove will, which is the seen. So the sentence becomes لن أطبخ الغداء. I will not cook lunch. Let's take another sentence in the future tense. This time, we are using the future particle سوف, which also means will. سوف أذهب للمكتب. I will go to the office. The same steps apply. First, we identify the verb. The verb here is أذهب. go. Second, we remove the future particle. In this sentence, it is سوف. After removing the future particle, we insert لن. The sentence becomes لن أذهب للمكتب. I will not go to the office. So, in a nutshell, how do we negate the future tense verb? Well, we use two particles to negate. They are لا or ما. Whichever one you use, it will come before the verb or الفعل. So we either have لا followed by الفعل, the verb, or ما followed by الفعل. And as for the future tense, we only have one particle, which is لن, and then we remove the future particle, سين or سوف, having لن followed by the verb, or الفعل. So we have لن, remove the future particle, and have it followed by the verb. And this is how we negate the present tense and future tense. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.